I will be using Peach Fast Acting Polish Remover, Peach Conditioning Cuticle Oil, Dream Big and Go for Gold nail lacquers from my New Year New Me collection, Z-Coat, a high gloss non-yellowing top coat, my glass dish, my flat oval art brush, and my towelettes. I poured a little bit of peach polish remover in my glass dish to keep my brush clean. My client has on soft pink Sculpt Hybrid, and always make sure the nail is really smooth and really clean before applying nail lacquer. The nail lacquer French is the easiest to apply and easiest to remove French you will ever do, and your client can change their color every time without any more work than a polish change. I will be using Go for Gold nail lacquer to do my French. Figure out where you want your French to be at before you start. You're going to apply your nail lacquer straight across first. Then you're going to angle your brush and swoop it in to make your smile. Really, really easy. And just get a little polish remover on your brush and clean up. And let that dry for about 1 to 2 minutes, and when you're doing a full set, it'll be completely dry by the time you get back. And again, same thing. Straight across. Make sure you get the tip, and then swoop it in from the left. Then swoop it in from the right. Get just how you like it. And you just clean it up. It's really easy to clean. Now I'm going to apply Z-Coat, a high gloss non-yellowing top coat. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. So fast, so easy, and so beautiful. I like to apply 2 coats of Z-Coat. Again, nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Now you have Go for Gold nail lacquer French over soft pink Sculpt Hybrid. So pretty and so easy. Now I'm going to remove my Go for Gold French and apply my Dream Big French to show you how easy it is to change colors. Just use Peach Fast Acting Polish Remover and a towelette. Make sure you get all the polish off around the edges. I will be using Peach Conditioning Cuticle Oil, my Clean Finish buffing file to get the nail really smooth, and I want my nail to be really shiny, so I will be using my Super Shiner, so when I apply my nail lacquer, it's as smooth as glass. I'm going to apply my oil, just a little drop, rub it in, and then buff with my Clean Finish buffing file. Nice long strokes, get the cuticle nice and smooth, get the whole nail nice and smooth. Have the client go wash their hands with Peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush before you use your shiner, because if there's any oil on the nail, it'll ruin your shiner. The Super Shiner has 2 sides, a white side and a gray side. I use the white side first and then the gray side to give it a super high gloss shine. So you just buff it, buff the whole nail, get around the cuticle, then do the gray side. start getting that nice shine on there. Then when you apply your nail lacquer, it is so smooth. Just looks like glass. Now I will be using Dream Big nail lacquer. Same application. Decide where you want your smile. Then you're going to go straight across. Then you're going to start your smile and swoop it. Start on the left, swoop it. Go to the right, swoop it. Then let that dry. Then clean up the smile line. Very easy. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Go straight across. And then start your smile and swoop. Start your smile and swoop it. Now I'm going to clean my smile line, get a little bit of polish remover, then come in, clean the line. It's very easy. Now I'm going to apply Z-Coat, a high gloss non-yellowing top coat. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. So pretty. I love this and so easy. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of Z-Coat. Nice long strokes. Cap the tip. Now you have the Dream Big Silver Nail Lacquer French over Soft Pink Sculpt Hybrid. So beautiful and so easy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.